Hello guys, how are you? Frequently, I have been coming to you through my new videos. Today, I am going to show you that the newly made girls hostel that is only for girls students situated at the Medical Colony campus AMU. This hostel only for those students who got admission in master's course or PhD. Now I'm zooming out to show you the gate and the banner line in front of this hostel. Here clearly you can watch there are two hostels or hall having two main gate. As you know, about 4 years ago it had started to construct the hostel in the campus. It is very close to JNMC Medical College, and the Zakaria Market, and the hospital, JNMC, and also to the others AMU faculties. Well, guys, and I want to say that don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, we'll meet you soon. Till then, enjoy my all videos. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.